Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jack and I'm with Northwest Bus Sales. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2003 Bluebird All-American. Now this is a 40-foot school bus here, bumper to bumper, paired with the Cummins ISC 8.3 liter and the Allison automatic transmission. I'm excited to show it to you. Let's check it out. Alright, so coming on inside first, we have your normal bifold air-powered passenger entry door, black ribbed aisleway stepway, some kind of rocky step nosing there, and a grab rail coming on inside. Gonna go over the driver area here first. Driver seat upholstery looks great, no big rips, cuts, tears, anything like that. Going from right to left, we got your all your heaters, rear heaters, driver's heaters, booster pump, defrost, open and close the door. Allison automatic transmission shift pad here. Excuse me. This is equipped with cruise control for those long nights on the road. As far as the mileage goes, so the odometer is in op. The hub meter says 26,000 miles. That is incorrect. The ECM says 101,000 miles. That is incorrect. The previous owner indicated it's got approximately 150 to 160,000 miles on it. All right, we got your high idle switch, your headlights, got all your dome lights, wipers, auxiliary fans, number 1 and 2 there, heated mirrors as well for those frosty mornings, and we got a PA down here, and a AM/FM cassette stereo up top here. All right, that'll do it for the driver area. Coming to the back here. This is a 81 passenger school bus, 81 passengers, that is 3 kids to a seat, 81. Equipped with your standard brown bench style seating, brown vinyl covers. Covers are in good shape from first glance. You're gonna see a few patch jobs here and there going down, but over and above all, there's no foam sticking out, anything like that. Looks good going all the way down. We got a rear emergency exit door here, emergency exit window, midship emergency exit door. We have 2 emergency exit roof hatches up top, dome lights going down the middle, and then some speakers zigzagging their way down the aisle as well. So we've been getting a lot of people interested in converting these, so we get asked the interior dimensions a lot, so I'll give those to you. From the back of the driver's seat here to the back wall is 31 feet. The interior width is 7.5. So if you think of it like a big rectangle of usable space, you got 31 by 7.5. And the interior height is 6'1" in the center of the aisle. All right, that'll do it for the inside. Let's check out the outside. All right, gonna show you the front passenger side tire here. And a nice pan of the undercarriage as well. Alright, this is equipped with pass-through underfloor storage. These 2 bays, the hydraulic parts on them aren't letting them stay up, but the other side is, so I opened those ones up. Got a little bit of some action on the doors here. You can see a little dent there. Nothing too crazy, but do want to point it out. Got your rear passenger side duals. Alright, you're not going to be able to hear me when we get over to it. So this is powered by the big boy, the Cummins ISC 8.3 liter Cummins turbo diesel engine, rated at 260 horsepower, and that is paired with the Allison MD 3060 automatic transmission. Let's check it out. Alright, coming down the driver's side here, We got your rear driver's side duals. Got your pass-through underfloor storage. Here's the bays. Do have a little bit of some denting on the top of that one. I want to point out a little bit of some action right here as well. Coming down the side, looking good. A little bit of like a bubble right here, kind of. Do want to point that out. Got your front driver's side tire here. And another pan of underneath. Last but not least, I do want to point out this does have a Washington State Patrol safety inspection sticker from 2021. Here in Washington State, every bus that's going to go into service needs to get inspected by the Washington State Patrol, and this passed just last year. Well, thank you for watching this Northwest Bus Sales exclusive video tour. If you like this bus or any other buses on our lot, you can call us at 1-800-231-7099. Visit us at nwbus.com or email us sales@nwbus.com. Thank you for watching.